All those in favor, please raise your right hand. Okay, thank you.
Every student will have the benefit and access to that stadium. We're just honored and that our board passed this. For Davis County High School, for instance, since 1958, in September 1958, it's almost 60 years to date. You know, there's only been typical maintenance done to that field. There's never been a complete overhaul, renovation done.
We're pretty excited because it's going to allow for future expansion of our academic needs here in the next couple of years. With Apollo celebrating its 50th year, it has a little bit more meaning, I think, for our future needs.
You know, the other part of it is a pride aspect of, you know, in athletic programs, you try to take a lot of pride in your athletic programs. And when you look at the state of our current facilities, they're kind of run down, dilapidated. And so this really gives an opportunity for the school, the alumni of the school, to kind of rally behind a new facility and bring back the pride that we've had at the school for years.
This is not only going to benefit our students, every student, but our community as well. From Special Olympics to Relay for Life to youth football, and so on and so forth. This is just a tremendous opportunity, not only for our school and our students, but for our community as well.